Sura?
Yeah.
See? Can you count in Spanish?
No.
No, you're lying. You can count in Spanish. You say uno.
No.
What comes next?
Dos.
What comes after that?
Tres.
And after that? Cuatro?
Cuatro.
Cuatro. What comes after cuatro?
Cinco.
That's right. What's next?
Cinco.
Cinco, seis.
Siete, ocho, nueve, diez.
What was that? What was that? What about French?
Uno, dos.
No, that's Spanish.
No, that's Spanish.
Right. What about French? Un, deux.
Wow.
Uh-huh. What's next?
That's it.
That's right. What's next after that?
Six.
That's right. And after that?
Six and seven.
Oh.
And me.
That's awesome. What about English? 1,
2.
3.
11.
No, 4.
11.
5.
11.
It's not 11. You just like 11? Uh-huh.